You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in Hollywood and we're checking out Fat Sal's.
So this spot's known for sandwiches. I mean, like crazy sandwiches.
Big sandwiches.
They also got challenges that you can do, but we ain't gonna do no challenges. But we're gonna check out some of their sandwiches. So come join us.
Let's go. All right, so we're here in Hollywood and we're at Fat Sal's. And what are they known for?
They're known for sandwiches. I mean, like crazy sandwiches. And we also got this pizza fry thing. Looks cool. But yeah, they're known for sandwiches. I mean, like they get some crazy sandwiches. They also have a challenge. It's like $100.
It's a huge sandwich.
We're not trying to get crazy like that today. But yeah, so we got the fat breakfast. This thing has hash brown, sausage, bacon, ham, egg, you name it, it's all in there. Look.
This is a good way to start your morning, man. Look at that. I actually want to start out with the fries.
That sandwich is money.
Fries are all right. Let's check out the sandwich.
Oh yeah.
So their sandwiches are huge because like you order one sandwich, you can share it with somebody else. So unless you're hungry.
It's got a mozzarella stick in there too.
Oh, that's good.
That sandwich is bomb. But they got a bunch of other sandwiches. I mean, like the crazy amount of sandwiches.
We're actually debating on one sandwich that they actually have like a fat banh mi sandwich. And if you guys don't know what a banh mi is, it's like a Vietnamese sandwich. I think I'm gonna try that next time.
I'll watch that video right there because we got a bunch of videos on that. But for all the stuff they put in the sandwich, it actually still stay pretty crunchy on the outside. It's not soggy.
The bread doesn't fall apart like some places.
Oh yeah, this is money.
That huge list of sandwich makes you just want to come back. Damn, I gotta try everything.
I'm like, all the flavor works well. You still get to taste the bacon, you get to taste the eggs, the hash brown, and the sausage. Like nothing gets really lost. It's really good. But
I agree.
it's in this like little like nook area. Like it's nothing huge and crazy big. They got these benches you sit on.
Yeah, the benches for sharing.
But sandwich is awesome. They got a large selection. You guys need to come check them out.
If you guys been to Fat Sal's before, let us know what's your favorite sandwich in the comments below. So I can try it out.
I think the only thing that gets soggy is your fingers from all that egg that's coming out of it. Like this thing's dripping in like egg juice. Look.
I'm gonna save some for Tim because like Tim's like looking behind the camera, like he wants to bite.
Money. Sorry, Tim, I'm gonna snap this. That's probably the best part right there. If you guys are in the Hollywood area, definitely come check this place up. I know they have other locations. They got one in the Valley, but come down and check this spot out. We're gonna leave all the info in the descriptions down below. I guarantee you, man, you won't be disappointed in the sandwiches you choose here. But any one of the sandwiches look amazing.
Yeah.
They have a bunch of sides. Come early. It looks like this place can get packed. Parking's not bad.
Parking is limited though. If it gets packed.
Well, if it gets packed, but I mean, parking here is not bad. They got parking everywhere. It's not as bad as some other places. But yeah, we're gonna leave all the info in the description down below. Check them out. If you do try them out, let us know in the comments what you liked and what was your favorite sandwiches. Also, hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos like this one.
But most of all, make sure you share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.